Right, this is a day trading game. This is where this game here is where I actually this is where I actually learnt to do my I've been day trading games for years, but this is where I learnt my patterns, my sequences, because this is actually it's either a mountain or line or whatever it is, right? But that M to the left, here you've got the two humps on the left, then you've got an M that's going up. As soon as you see the M, not always, but if the M is on an angle like it went there, it will see you've got your warning hiccups. When the angle's on when the M is on an upward rise, excuse me, it goes up like that right here. That's the M. When that M tilts to the right higher, that is not always, but usually the sign that it's going to do something special. Like there, it has done right here. And it's now off the scale. This is BTC USD, which is Bitcoin USD exchange. Just like USD, EUR, Euro, US dollar. This is Bitcoin US dollar, right? But see, what goes up usually comes down. So it's going to come down now. So I'm going to press the down button, right? Yeah. So I've now pressed the down button. You can see now the green figure in the middle. Right, this is a practice account, right? That should come all the way down, or come down a bit, he says. But see, there you go. That's down. That's made 54 from $1,000. This is what short sellers do. If you see day traders, where they're actually buying, so the line coming down, and on day traders candlesticks is the red. We would now be going down the red candlestick. Yeah. So when it went up, it would have been the green candlestick, and this is coming down. Now that is a downward M, which means I think that's going to plummet. What do I know? But again, you can just stop it there. Let's just say not there, because that's going to go. Again, see, this is it. You get such a. That's now made. It's just an example. I don't know how accurate this is, but it shows you basically. I learnt this from the patterns, the day trading patterns. So if you're day trading, you're charting the sequences. I prefer to use this method, this chart format, when day trading, or instead of candlesticks. Although I know how candlesticks work, this is just easier. And like if you look at that bottom bit, to the left now, it's just going out of vision. Right, as it came onto the screen, it went down. You've usually got, what's it got? How many increments up? You've got 1 increment, 2 increments, 3 increments, 4 increments, 5 increments, 6, 7. That's probably about an 8 increment move, going from the bottom to the top there. Now, like there, you see that's. The balance is $1,000, and that's made at 1,000, and you can stop that, and that gives you the 100, and that's 134. See, that's now got to do something. So they've got to go up or down. If it goes down, this is it could make a few quid. It's gone up, but it's £100. It's just you can make money in 3 or 4 minutes in a trade, or you can make, it's a day trade, but you can make it money in 3 or 4 minutes, and you can. We could have actually there, like for example, traded all the way up that on the left hand side of the chart, all the way up. We'll press the green button, which went up and made money. Then press the orange button and made come down. Then press the green and gone up. There's quite a few day trades in there. If it's not everyone's cup of tea to do that, but that's just I reckon it's going I say that's going up the mountain and sliding down skiing down the slope. But you can make money going up and down, because when you go down like this now, it's shorting. So that's 80. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to now. That's profit of £80. Right, so scrap that. So later, press the later button. Right, then you're going to go. Let's see where it's going to go. Let's see if it goes up then. So we've now changed. If you look at the left-hand side, and we've changed from the orange to the red, to the green. Sorry. So we're now making. We were making money coming down, and we're now making money going up. And it's decided to go down. Now that is, if it goes down, it could go down quite some way. So we're on the right trade, because it should go up further now. What do I know? But it does. That sequence there, when it goes up into that's duplicated. But it's there, the second of those peaks. If it goes up there, it tends to go up some distance. Right. So that's $70 made. So we've made money there. That's now 127. Made 57 there in less than half a second. Right. On this again, where it's got to now, it should go into like a half little semicircle. Or it comes all the way down. If it comes all the way down, again, like now, it's 140, it's 150. Now, it will do one of two things. If it comes down like that, it should go to another stalk on the little, one on the left, it should do one on the right. But because that's now going at an angle higher, that should go further now, higher. Because if it doesn't do that, it comes all the way back down again, equal to the other one, the other side. So it's this is just plenty of that's going to be all the way down, I think. Right. So I've changed that. We've had that 111 quid. Right. Watch now. Go back. Now I want to go down, because I think it's going to come all the way down. I might be wrong. But that's made 20% in what, 5 minutes? Something like that. But that's not. There we go. See if it doesn't come down to the left-hand level of that left-hand side, which is whatever it is, 16. It'll go up, but if it doesn't, it'll come down, and sometimes it goes below the equal of the other side. It's going into the same sort of move. Look, it's going to a little semicircle. So the page will drop for it to do that. But this is just if you're day trading. This is what you just got to. No amount of. You see the day traders on YouTube. They've got hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of trades. They know where. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's like this is like BTC, there you go, 78 quid down. But nothing.